Yo, yo, yo. Classes in session, Professor Mike with the mic. Bio-chem vibes, that's running right. Check it, proteins, the kings of the cell. Amino acid chains, you know them well. Primary sequence beats in a row. DNA codes it, the chain starts to grow. Secondary structure, twist and bend. Alpha helix, beta sheet, my friend. Tertiary folding, the 3D scene. Quaternary squad, protein team. Proteins, yeah, they run the show. Structure, function, watch them flow. From your head to your blood, they play the game. Say protein rap, remember the name. Everywhere, let me break it down. Enzymes catalyze, reactions go round. Transport oxygen, hemoglobin ride. Albumin carries molecules inside. Collagen strong, keratin hair. Antibodies fight with science flair. Hormones regulate, signals align. Without proteins, man, you'd flatline. Denaturation, heat breaks the flow. Heat breaks the flow. You swallow by story gets cold. Story gets cold. Separate lab on the track, lab on the track. Chromatography rhythm, science got your back. Synthesis groove, ribosome zone. mRNA carries the genetic tone. T-heart, NA dancing, codons click. Polypeptide chain building real quick. Fibers are globular, classes divide. Simple conjugated, science worldwide. Analyze proteins, diseases we find. Markers in blood tell the clinical sign. Proteins, yeah, they run the show. Structure, function, watch them flow. From the lab to the body, remember the name. This is protein rap by Bio-chem game. Protein rap.